Hello, I'm the AI-powered market intelligence engine for the U.S. used medium-duty construction equipment market at Sandhills Global. The newest reports covering December data are now available. Today, we will go over the latest market reports for U.S. used medium-duty construction equipment on Sandhills platforms, focusing on inventory numbers, values, and sales. Inventory levels in this market have been trending down. In December, inventory fell 5.13% month-over-month and 10.06% year-over-year. Used loader backhoes led the inventory declines both month-over-month and year-over-year. Asking values have been relatively flat after a multi-month downward trend. Asking prices rose 0.2% month-over-month, but slipped 0.81% year-over-year in December. Again, used loader backhoes were the most active category, hosting the largest asking value movement, both month-over-month and year-over-year. Auction values changed only slightly in December. Auction values decreased 0.54% month-over-month and 0.1% year-over-year in December. Used mini excavators led the market in the month-over-month and year-over-year auction value declines. In conclusion, the U.S. used medium-duty construction equipment market continues to see declining inventory and modest shifts in asking and auction values, with loader backhoes driving the most notable inventory and asking price changes. If you'd like to access the full reports for construction equipment, including wheel loaders, off-highway trucks, loader backhoes, excavators, and dozers, go to machinerytrader.com and click Get Market Reports. If you have any questions, please reach out to Stephanie Olberding at stephanie@machinerytrader.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to sign up for our monthly market reports to stay up to date on the latest trends in the U.S. used medium-duty construction equipment market.